Hello everyone, I'm Naman Sharma and this is my volcano. This is my red color painted vinegar that is going to act as the lava. This is baking soda and a shift cone for putting the baking soda inside. So let's start. Now we're going to add the baking soda. Here's the volcano erupting. Thank you for watching my volcano erupt. Bye everyone.